So today on the channel, guys, we are detailing this Honda Pilot that is kid trashed on the inside after doing several road trips. I mean, there's pizza bites underneath the seats. This thing is just covered in dirt and grime on the inside. All of the outside needs to be cleaned up. But we're going to tackle this, and I'm going to show you guys what a standard detail would look like if you're a mobile detailer or if you have a detailing service. This is kind of what you would typically see. It's a little bit dirtier than normal, but overall, it's something that we can tackle pretty quickly, and it's not over the top like some of the nasty things you see on my channel already. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning, this is a kid trash vehicle. There are 3 car seats across the back rows, and the goodies underneath those seats is always something that you find in every family car. It's really surprising how much actually gets underneath there, especially if the car seat's on top. You know what I mean? But yeah, you can tell this thing is definitely kid trash, but the best part about it is that the rubber floor mats inside this thing minimized how much of the carpet got impacted, which is a super nice thing, and something I always recommend is to get those rubber floor mats from a ease of cleaning, because you can just pressure wash those suckers off. Now, one thing you'll notice if you've watched this channel for a long period of time is the front seats are not coming out. And that is because, once again, I wanted to show you guys what a standard detail would look like, how you would kind of figure out how to get it completely cleaned if you did not pull the seats. But also, Honda has this lovely seat belt mounted to the seat assembly piece that you have to have a special key to remove. And every single Honda I've done that's newer does this, and it drives me nuts. I think I got to either buy the key for one or two, just suck it up. And in this case, I was able to get all the dirt out without having to pull the seats. Now to bring these leather seats back to their original shine and remove any dirt and grime, we're using Mint Shine Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. This stuff kicks butt, it smells awesome, and it does an amazing job at restoring the seats to make them look like new and remove any dirt and grime that might be built up on them. Now, like I mentioned, those floor mats did an amazing job of protecting the floors, and surprisingly, there's no stains or any sort of gum or ice cream or anything like that on the floor. And the car seats have seen better days, which is why I thought this was a perfect opportunity to show you that just by vacuuming, getting those cleaned up, and then I'm going to be using the same extraction method that I would use on the car carpet to clean these seats and get them looking like new again.
Think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the...
Now for these rubber floor mats, we are going to just be using the same carpet cleaning solution that I use, drill brush to agitate and get any of that stuff out in between of all those different treads, and then just pressure washing them clean. And that is one of the most amazing benefits of rubber floor mats, is it just makes it so much easier to clean up. Now, the main reason why I wanted to do a car like this in particular that's not a complete disaster is just because of the fact that it is super relatable for you guys to see. When it comes to some of the detailing channels on YouTube, and myself included, we get these super nasty cars that are dealer trade-ins, repos, abandoned cars, you know, barn finds. All of these cars are real and they exist. But from a relatability standpoint, I can guarantee a lot of you don't have a car that you daily drive that looks like this. And that is why this detail is super important for you guys to watch and enjoy, so that way you can kind of follow along what I would do and recommend when it comes to just a standard, typical, dirty family car detail. Now, in my opinion, when it comes to cleaning tires and cleaning the outside of your car, the wheel wells is something that's typically overlooked, but also when it comes to cleaning the actual tire surfaces, you know, using a tire cleaner and a scrub brush that, you know, you would use on tile inside your house, or a stiff bristle brush for that matter that you get specifically for cleaning tires, scrub it really well, because you'll be surprised with how much dirt is generated and how much, you know, of that black tire will come back to life if you remove and scrub all of the dirt inside all of those different treads and different designs on the outside for the lettering. It also ensures that when you put that tire dressing on, you're applying it to the rubber and there's no dirt in between, so that way it fades quicker. It also makes sure it lasts longer.